So, hello. Dito tayo ngayon sa Starbucks. I ordered the Java Frap chip.
What?
Frap Java chip. Then, I ordered the classic cheesecake. And I have my parcel with me.
Woo!
And what's inside is sobrang excited ako. It's my dream. Oh my dream. Oh my God. So, yeah. Samahan niyo ako mag-unbox ng ating dream ko. Na hindi ko alam kung paano ko siya babayaran kasi kinaskas ko lang siya. So, yeah. Let's go and let's open this. I don't know. Ang nakakahiya lang kasi. Open. Okay, nawala yung audio. I don't know kung narinig niyo yung lahat ng sinabi ko kanina. Kasi nawala. Okay, nawala yung lahat ng audio. So, yeah. This is the Insta360. It's the essential bundle, okay? So, namatay na naman yung audio. So, this one is the invisible stick. Invisible stick pala siya. Okay. So, wala pa pala yung tripod. So, I have to buy more pa pala nun. Okay. Kasi yung friend ko, yung paan niya dito, may tripod na. So, it's just a stick. I have battery right here, extra battery. Then, ito yung user manual. And right here, yung pouch natin. Open natin. Wow, narinig niyo yun. Wow, ASMR yan. So, I have my charger right here. Dalawang battery yung pwede ko na ma-charge. Then, meron tayong lens guard. Anong itsura niya? Bilog lang siya. Ayan, bilog lang siya. Lens guard. Nag-unbox si bakla. And I have right here the camera. So, meron tayo ditong case pa din. Ayan. Tanan! So, yeah. Kaya may ganyan para dito sa standard lens case. So, let's open it.
Woo!
Okay. Download Insta360 via the app. Then, activate your camera via the app. Okay, so activate ko muna siya. So, yeah, that's it. That's all. Yun lang yung ipapakita ko. Kasi, yun lang. So, ito ay regalo ko sa sarili ko. Tsaka to. Isama niyo na to. Happy 6 months to me here. 6 months na tayo. Yay! Yay! Bye! Thank you for watching.